Hello and welcome back to my channel. You have read the title, you know this is a glow up video, but the only difference between the regular glow up videos and this video is that I don't just care about my physical appearance or external stuff. I have been trying very hard to work on myself and I actually have been succeeding to a great extent, which I'm very proud of. So this glow up video is going to have things that I do for my mental health, for my physical health, and also a few things that just make me feel good externally. So yeah, that's pretty much the context of this video. Now let's get into the vlog. I've always struggled with having a structure to my day and consequently my life. So these days I wake up early, I meditate, I work out a little, I journal. I also love drinking my chai or coffee in the morning. It's just a beautiful start to my day. Okay, so this has become another important part of my life now. Since I'm a distracted kid, not one type of exercise makes me feel better, so I switched to multiple. Also, it's quite a lovely morning today. Look at the bloom beach here. Love this about springtime. This motorcycle and doggo. Okay, so part one of the physical transformation is going to be a change in my hair. I have been trying to grow my hair out, so I really don't want to go short, but I kind of also want to cut, but I also know that I'll regret it after a week. So probably we're just going to get it trimmed, but I do want a color refresh so bad. My hair is completely grown out, like the roots have grown out. So I'm looking forward to a beautiful brown caramel toned balayage. And I have my coffee ready. I'm just carrying my own coffee, so I'm going to sip on it and yeah, let's get going. Okay, so हम इस length और ये बचे कुचे colors के साथ start कर रहे हैं. And today we're going to go for some sort of texture in the hair. I don't know what we're getting done, but I trust him, so that works. Hi. It's his salon and he opened his new salon very recently. Another thing that I have been loving is reading again. I missed it for so long and now I read every single chance I get. It's lovely. Oh my good god, we are done with my hair. गाड़ी में इतना गर्म है इस वक्त. My god, what have I done? I'm heading back home. I'm gonna continue the rest of the glow up journey in the coming days. So the color that we did the first day was a little too light for me, so I went ahead with the darker tone of brown and I loved the end result. Self-care is a big part of feeling better for me, and since we're doing an internal and external glow up, I'm also going to take you through my shaving routine. This is something that I do in the shower. It takes me about 15 to 30 minutes depending on what is it that I want to shave, like just my arms or my arms and my legs. It depends on that, but it's just such a fun process shaving. Honestly, I used to be a waxing kind of a girl, but ever since I started shaving, I have not looked back. It is so convenient, it is so quick, it is painless, and it's really easy to do. For this reason, I wanted to quickly introduce you to Let's Shave because I have been using their products for a while now. I've been testing them out for you guys and I just had a really pleasant experience. Okay, so I have dry skin, so I make sure that whatever products I'm using for any purpose, they do not dry me out further. So for that, I make sure that I dampen my skin first and then I take a small amount of the whipped shaving cream and then apply it all over the area that I wish to shave. Also, the fact that it comes out as whipped cream is such a smooth process. It's so like, I don't know, it's fun also. It's just, I think using a shaving cream and then shaving, it's just so like satisfying, and I love that about shaving, which is kind of why I put that in this video as well, because it's just such a fun process for me. And I know it's nothing big, but it just makes you feel so much better. So we are glowing up from the inside as well and from the outside while we're doing that. Now, why I like this so much is first because of the bendable head, so it goes smoothly over any curves in your skin, which obviously makes the process that much more convenient. There's a moisture bar on the ends of the head. There's also a micro guard bar which basically preps the hair before the blade touches it, so there won't be any random accidents. As you can see, it gets a really close shave. You get done in seconds, and because of the open flow cartridge, you can just clean it up real quick and get the job done in minutes. Okay, so you have to make sure that you're shaving in the opposite direction of the hair to get the smoothest shave possible. So my skin tends to get a little bit itchy and dry after I shave, and I'm already making sure that I'm not using products that are fully drying me out, but it still does dry me out, like the whole process of shaving, and that kind of results in itchiness later, which is something that genuinely bugs me about shaving, the only thing pretty much. So when I got introduced to this aftershave cream, it was like a magical experience for me, because I have tried a couple of shave creams in the past and they have not worked as well as I had expected them to work. I have gone a full day after I've shaved without itching even once with the aftershave. Of course, if you have very dry skin, you can obviously like reapply it if you'd like, but I think applying it once after you've shaved is more than enough. It does such a wonderful job at just calming your skin down. It also makes sure that it's not like irritated, itchy or dry, and it's just an instant relief. Like, you'll know it when you use it. So I would definitely recommend the aftershave. I'm gonna make sure that I link all the products that I've mentioned here in the description box below, so you can find exactly what I have been using. Also, you can check out the Let's Shave website completely to see the range of options they have. They have everything for men, for women, and there's just so much to choose from. So make sure you go check them out, and let's get to the next step. Okay, another part of my 2021 glow up is getting my nails done, and that's part of like the more external kind of work, but I still enjoy that process a lot. Makes me really happy, makes me feel a little bit put together even if I'm not. So let's go get our nails done. Okay, so another part of feeling better on the inside, which kind of translates to feeling better like physically also, is swimming for me. So I am ready. I have all my things. I always carry a water bottle, sara saman, towel वगैरह ये सब. I have booked a double class today. That means I get to do a session back to back, and that is because it's fun. Also because I couldn't go yesterday, because by the time I was booking it was fully booked, and since they have to take care like of the safety, so they are taking in lesser people, so there's a restriction. So the moment they reach that number, the slots are full. And I checked it up, it's fine, it's safe as long as everyone's wearing masks and maintaining social distance, which we are. So yeah, I don't know if I can show you much under, because I'm also like learning right now. But it's just a lovely thing that I have wanted to learn for so long, and now that I'm getting to, I am sticking to it. So yeah, I couldn't shoot in the pool, but what better way to end this video other than wearing a sari, which happens to be my current favorite sari. I rocked my natural hair, put on a little bit of makeup, and just felt really good dressing up after a really long time. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe if you did, and also let me know if you'd like to see more wellness content from me. I'm gonna see you in the next one.